Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey here back with another video on my YouTube channel here, of course. That's what it is, that's why y'all watching it. But anyway, as always, videos very simple, very easy, and very, very flavorful. Like my team always tells me, and I forget to do this, they get on me. Click the little red subscribe button down there to your right. Click that button to subscribe. Also click the notification bell where you can get every video. When I upload a new video, you'll get an alert on your channel that I got upload a new video. So please subscribe. I'm also on other social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So follow those as well. So let's get started here. Today I'm going to be making some old school peach cobbler. A little easy twist. I don't make pie dough. Start off, I use this here. I use Pillsbury pie crust. The reason I don't make pie dough, I can make some awesome pie dough. I can make pie dough pretty much in my sleep. The reason I don't do that, I tell everybody when they ask me, because when I cook, normally I'm got 4 or 5 other things going in the kitchen when I'm cooking. So I don't waste time putting flour everywhere, making pie dough just for make a pie. So I buy my pie crust. So that's the reason I don't do that. So let's get started here. We're gonna make a peach cobbler. Of course, I got peaches here. I got a pot here I'm heating up. Regular peaches, sliced peaches, clean free, sliced peaches here. I'm gonna put in my pot. And this recipe, of course, is on the description of the video. So if I go too fast or something you miss, you can always go and rewind it. Okay, the secret ingredient I put in my peach cobbler, it's not a secret anymore because thousands people gonna know it. I don't use water to put more liquid in my peach cobbler. I don't believe in adding water to things because water is neutral and it adds no flavor to it. It adds nothing to the recipe. As you can see by most of my recipes, it's about adding flavor. Adding more and more flavor to whatever you're cooking. So I just use pineapple juice. People have been apprehensive. Pineapple juice, my peach cobbler don't taste like pineapples. And then they come back and say, oh my God, it does add flavor. It doesn't taste like pineapple. No, pineapple is really a neutral, unsweetened pineapple juice. 100%, I always use Dole 100%. It's neutral, it has no flavor in it when you add it to fruit. So I used to add apple juice, it was too overpowering. Orange juice, too overpowering. So I use pineapple juice, Dole pineapple juice. I add that to my peach cobbler. So we're gonna add that to it. And believe me, when you do this, it just makes the peaches, the flavor of the peaches just really come alive. So I'm gonna add that to this. I got my pot on, bringing it to a boil. Add one more can. I always keep pineapple juice in my house when I make any kind of cobbler. I mean, this is not only for peach cobbler. Any kind of cobbler I make, I add pineapple juice. Okay, add a little cinnamon, nutmeg. Let's see here. Just iron this. Add the sugar to this. Butter. I just put everything in a bowl. Vanilla. And it all in there. We're gonna bring this thing to a boil. And this don't take long. Got that nice cinnamon nutmeg flavor there. Okay. Now I'm gonna go away for a second here, and I'm gonna let this come to a boil. And when this has come to a boil, I'll be right back. We're gonna thicken it with cornstarch. We're gonna lay our pie shell in here, and we're gonna lay our pie shell in there, put the topping on it, put it in the oven, and it'll be ready. So I'll be right back when it's come to a boil. Okay, y'all, we back here. This is starting to boil. While that's doing that, we're gonna get the pie dough set up in here in my baking dish here. Like I said already in the beginning, I don't use don't use homemade dough. This stuff is awesome product. Everything else is homemade. Alright, get this thing out of here. Alrighty. Thing will roll right up here. And you see other types in the store, but they sometimes are very fragile and will break on you. That's why I always use Pillsbury. And I stick it right in there. Then this is one item I don't part cook. Most of my pies I part cook, but this peach cobbler, I put it in there raw. The bottom and the top dough, I put raw. And it will cook the dough completely, believe me. Especially in this casserole dish. Okay, that's coming along real good. Another thing, if you're using canned peaches, you can't boil this too long because canned peaches are very fragile. If you're using frozen or fresh, of course, you're going to cook it longer. But this is not going to take as long because it's the peaches are already soft. So, open this one up. This one out. Ready? Okay. Now, we're going to make a slurry to thicken this with. And sometimes I've had these people do this before and they didn't understand what I mean slurry. Slurry, all it is cornstarch and water where you can pour it in there. Do not dump the cornstarch in there because you're going to have clumps, lumps and clumps in your peach cobbler. And that's what you don't want. So what you're going to do, take some cornstarch out here. And you're going to add water to it. And that's going to create your slurry. Add water to this. Alrighty. A little bit more. And make sure you mix it up completely. There's no lumps at all because you don't want any lumps in your cobbler. Very important. Here we go. There we go. Now, just off here. No excess. Okay, you see that's boiling. That's what you want. This must be coming to a boil before you add the cornstarch to it. That's very important. So the cornstarch can do what it's supposed to do. Now that it's boiling, you add the cornstarch to this. Add a little bit more. A little bit more. That's it. Now this stuff is going to start to thicken. And be very careful also because this stuff will pop on you and stick like glue. So be very careful. You see I'm kind of standing back from it. And I don't want it too thick and I don't want it too thin. I like a peach cobbler that has a little juice to it, you know, where you can lay up, you eat it with ice cream. Well, I don't eat peach cobbler with ice cream. I just want like a big bowl and just put it in there and I love the juice. And that's what you want. We're going to cook it just a little. Then we're going to pour it in our casserole dish here. And that's it. That's all we want. And also, this is going to cook more as you know, as it cooks in the oven. So what we're going to do, we're going to pour it in the casserole dish here. There we go. Pour it in there. Now, we're going to add the top crust to it. And you can do however you want to do the top crust. You can do lattice, what I'm going to do right now, and I don't be nothing fancy with it. Or you can just put the whole crust on top, but I like to, you know, go across with it like this, just so you can see the peaches in it. And like I say, it's no science in this. It don't have to be perfect. It can be rustic. I like mine as rustic as you can. I don't do that under loop, over loop, and all that. No. I don't do all that. I don't go through all them changes. You definitely don't have to do that. As long as you're going across with it. Mistake, nothing at all. One more here. One more here. Let's say nothing to this. Another one across here. Another one across there. I got two short pieces. I'll put one here in the middle and one right there. See that? How easy that is? Now, a couple more things I do. I'm gonna put some butter on top. I like to put little pats of butter. You can put melted butter you want to. And I put butter like this. I like this thing to be real buttery and flaky when it come out the oven. See how easy this is? It ain't take long at all. I know I'm editing the video as you see it, but in real time, it takes about 15 minutes. Okay, then I always keep a little cinnamon sugar around. All this is cinnamon and granulated sugar. That's all it is. And I put a little of that on top. Look at that. See that? That's it. That's it. Now, we're going to put it in the oven. 350 degrees, probably about 45 minutes it's gonna take. And we're gonna have one of the best looking peach cobblers you ever eaten. So we'll be right back when it gets done and I'll show you how it come out. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, we back here. Let's check it out and see if it's ready here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Beautiful peach cobbler. It's bubbling right there. Nice golden brown. The dough is ready. Got that crystallizer, the sugar and cinnamon on top. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We're gonna let this cool a little bit. And I'll be back in about 10, 15 minutes and we're gonna cut into this thing and I'm gonna show you how it tastes. Too bad you're not here to eat it with me, but we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. And we're gonna cut off into this thing. Here, see what we got here. A little bowl of this here. Like I say, I mean, it's gonna be really, really juicy now because it's really hot. As it cool off, of course. Get some more of that crust there. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Awesome. See that? Look at that. Now you need a scoop of ice cream on that. That's all it takes, baby. Oh my God, that's good. Got that crust is completely done. The cinnamon and nutmeg coming through really good. The butter. The peaches. How tender the peaches are. Look at that. Old school style. Yeah. Good. Anyway, like I say, try this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video, comment. Very easy. Recipes in the description of the video at the end. So until next time, I'll see you again. Have a blessed old school soul food day.